Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, Educational Alliance. In this video, we will share 5 best VPN that you can use for free on Android and iOS devices. A VPN, or Virtual Private Network, is a technology that creates a secure and encrypted connection over the internet. Today we have handpicked the top 5 VPNs that stand out from the crowd, each with unique set of features that will blow your mind. So, let's jump right into it. I am Jack from Educational Alliance, so come to the mobile screen where we will see list of top 5 best VPN one by one that you can use absolutely free. Now open Play Store by clicking it here. Then select this field and write UltraSurf VPN, and click Enter. All results will be showing here. Now select this one by clicking it here. As you see, its rating is 4.4 star, and 10 million plus downloads of this VPN, and that why it is at top in the list. To install this VPN into device, press Install button at here, and wait. Okay, it's done. Now click to open it at here, to connect this VPN. Just drag this button to right side. At here, new window is pop up. This is for set up the connection that allow to monitor network traffic. Just click on this OK button. Little ad is showing here. You can skip it by click here. As you see, this VPN is connected now. Again, you have to open Play Store by click it here. And at tip field write Super VPN and then press Enter. At here you see, Super VPN is showing at here. The rating of this VPN is 4.5 star and 3 million plus reviews for this VPN, and 100 million plus downloads of this VPN, so no doubt this is one of the best VPN. To install it, just click on Install button at here. System will take few minutes, so hold tight. Now press Open button to open it. Now click at top drop-down menu and select the location that you want to use for this VPN. Here you see there are multiple locations, so you may choose as per choice. Otherwise, this VPN will select any random location. Now press Connect button at here to connect this VPN. At here, new window is pop up. This is for set up the connection that allow to monitor network traffic. Just click on this OK button. As you see, VPN is connecting. Okay, as you see, VPN is connected now. Once again, go to Play Store by click on it. And at the top just write Daily VPN. All results are showing it here. Just click on this Daily VPN. The rating of this VPN is 4.7 star and 85,000 plus reviews for this VPN. And 5 million plus downloads of this VPN. Now press Install button to install this VPN. And wait here. OK, VPN is installed. Now open it by click it here. Now click at this tab to connect with this VPN. At here, same window is pop up. As you know, this is for set up the connection that allow to monitor network traffic. Just click on this OK button. As you see here, this VPN is now connected. Go to the Play Store. And at top you have to write Secure VPN and press search. All results are showing here. Click on this Secure VPN. The rating of this VPN is 4.4 star and 1 million plus reviews for this VPN. As you see, downloads of this VPN has crossed 100 million. To install this VPN, click Install button at here. And wait. Now click to open this VPN. This is the terms of services. You may go through this and then press accept. This VPN will take some time to open, so hold tight. As you see, this is the subscription offer for this VPN. You can buy this one if you want. Otherwise, you can use it free of cost. So just click on this cross button to skip this offer. Now click on this connect button of the center to connect with this VPN. At here, same window is pop up. As you know, this is for set up the connection that allow to monitor network traffic. Just click on this OK button. As you see, VPN is now connected. Open the Play Store by clicking it here. And in the top field, write Quick VPN and click Search. All results are showing here. You have to click this Quick VPN to install. The rating of this VPN is 3.5 star and 2,000 plus reviews for this VPN, and 1 million plus downloads of this VPN. Click Install button to install it, and wait for a minute. It's done. Now click Open button to open this VPN. This is the notification permission for this VPN. I do not allow for this time. This is the dashboard of this VPN. Press this Continue button. At here, same window is pop up. As you know, this is for set up the connection that allow to monitor network traffic. Just click on this OK button. Now click at Smart Location tab. As you see it here, the location and IP address is showing at here for this VPN. Now press Connect button at here, and your VPN will be connected. That's it, guys. Remember, VPNs is constantly changing, so always check for the latest updates and user reviews. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, let us know in the comments if you have a favorite VPN or if there's another tech topic you'd like us to cover in future videos.